0 feet altitude. 7 feet distance. 1 miles per hour. 98% battery.
Back at the scene of the crime. Going to fly over the area where the drone should be. Hoping I got enough altitude because this thing goes uphill over here.
(160 feet altitude). Mission ended. 720 feet distance. 4 miles per hour. 94% battery.
I knew the elevation was high. I didn't think it was that high. That's okay. I'll fly manually. It's probably better because I can slow down. I can skedaddle up there.
(215 feet altitude. 1,862 feet distance. 8 miles per hour. 90% battery.
Yeah, there's a fucking hill between us. I'm gonna go up higher. I have to get a lot closer than this. Shit. Keep losing connection. It's not even that far away. This sucks.
(301 feet altitude. 2,918 feet distance. 0 miles per hour.
Yeah, I can't keep a good signal.
Battery.
It's up over a hill over there. Gotta bring it back. I gotta get closer. Damn it.
(344 feet altitude. 2,892 feet distance. 3 miles per hour. 79% battery.
Go back to waypoint, first person view. Cancel, go home. Get out of Dodge. That sucks. Yeah, there's the hill right there. I saw on Google Maps the elevation was a lot higher. So, might as well just fly around. Right into the sun. I'll have to take
365 feet altitude. 1,289 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 73% battery.
I'll have to take off from over at that dentist office over there, whatever it is. Can't do it from here. There isn't much wind today. Still right now. Nice houses down there. Hidden mansions of Skodak.
.366 feet altitude. 1943 feet distance. 31 miles per hour. 65% battery.
There's 9W. Come back towards Miller Road.
.312 feet altitude. 2,634 feet distance. 36 miles per hour. 58% battery.
Definitely got some nice colors going on out there. Oh yeah. Perfect time to catch the sun. Damn, I hear some weird noise coming off that highway.
.261 feet altitude. 2,432 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 53% battery.
Got the sun on my back. It sucks that I couldn't get near there. Elevation goes way up. I was looking at, I always check Google Earth before I go to get the right altitude, and it just seems so, nah, that can't be right. It doesn't look like it's that high. I'm back there behind this building. It's a extended stay, Holiday Inn. Yeah, I wanted to go back over the route that I'm highly confident now where the drone went down.
261 feet altitude. 863 feet distance. 32 miles per hour. 49% battery.
But lost connection over that hill right there. That could happen again too. It sucks. So I just have to get closer, which is kind of a pain in the ass because there's a lot of people moving around over there and they're going to see me, and I prefer to remain anonymous. But I guess I can't always remain anonymous. Nice neighborhood.
261 feet altitude, 2,058 feet distance, 37 miles per hour, 44% battery.
Can't get too far out. Yeah, I'm hearing some strange noises coming off the road. Sounds like it's coming from there. Sun's going down.
261 feet altitude, 1,110 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 37% battery.
Fly into that hill. Look how high that is. I'm at 260 feet. Very close. It's probably about 50 feet, but it looks a hell of a lot closer when you're flying over it. Danger close.
(260 feet altitude, 1,803 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 32% battery.
Do return from home. I got it from here.
(260 feet altitude, 524 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 28% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
No shit, Sherlock.
(102 feet altitude, 84 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 24% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 23%. Aircraft battery at 21%.
Not exactly the objective, but I'll take it. I have to replan this and get closer to the complex, to the woods over there. Anyways, D-Dub out.